Kelly Timecat again. Today I'm going to talk to you about TikTok, the world's most popular app 2021. It's presented by Avani Diaz, and she investigates an app that was developed in 2016, but which now a quarter of the world's population is a member of. We've got 7.99 billion people on this planet now, nearly 8 billion. It's actually 2 billion users. It's used for very short. It's designed to appeal if you have a low attention span, really fast edited. I think the many other forms of social media are following suit in a similar style. It works in its highly addictive nature. The idea behind it is we have a fun, glossy, glamorous version of the world. One thing that really struck me was in early 2020, some policy documents were leaked that showed posts by creators who were considered ugly, poor or disabled were muted or removed. It seems to have accentuated the trends that television, films, modelling and other similar industries have been accused of. I remember 20 years ago watching a film with a friend. Her observation was that the actors were plastic, as in all of them were very good looking. The real world is not like that. People come in all shapes and sizes in the real world, many different varieties of people, and media ought to represent all types of people. There seems like a lot of suppressing of diverse messages, whilst at the same time things like calorie counting and promotion of eating disorders, anorexia and bulimia videos with that kind of content have been allowed to stand because it doesn't break the community guidelines. And yet various campaigners, people involved with Black Lives Matter, have been shadow banned simply for covering subjects that are important to them. Paniora used a pool table to describe how white privilege works. He also produced a film where he received abuse from a woman because he had a prosthetic leg. She complained about him using a disabled parking. That got muted. Why? But that's the kind of bizarre censorship that seems to be going on TikTok. Another segment of features Anne Longfield, former Children's Commissioner in England from 2015 to 2021. She's representing millions of children on TikTok in the UK and Europe in a class action against the company. There are huge concerns about data harvesting. Staff in the Australian Department of Defence and the Home Affairs Department have been told not to have TikTok on their phones. There's the worries about data collection, about artificial intelligence, about how distorted we see the world. One of the quotes I thought was really good was, you're dealing with major differences between how people define appropriate versus inappropriate. It's constant balancing act. I think it's a must-see. It's a really, really interesting film and very worthwhile for watching, especially if you or anyone you care about uses the app. I'll give it 8 out of 10. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.